Who did it? Hey, smell.
What did you do? Did you do something? Do I have to go see what you did? Stay back.
Hi.
I have a question for you guys. Who did this? Who did this?
Hey, who did that? Who did that?
Did you poop on my floor? Why you hiding under your brother? Did you do this? Huh? Did you do this?
Who ate the Hawaiian rolls?
Who's flip-flop? Who's cuddling with my flip-flop? Toby, is this you?
What did you do? Who did